Hello everyone. Today I'm going to explain how to install MySQL on Windows platform. First we need to download the software, and I copy this and paste here, and then it'll pick up the platform where I am accessing this. Um, Go to download the pages. MySQL installer MSI, Windows zip archive, whichever convenient to you. Let me try this. Download zip files, and usually it asks you to enter the password, but I already entered it, right? Login name and password. So when I come here, this okay. So here, downloads. Here's the media. So open it by double click. Uh, Actually, let me go back to the installer. Download installer and MySQL community, web community and community. So let me try MySQL installer community 8.0.31. Let me go ahead, click this. So it'll give me the installer. Actually, this that I unzip it, then this as is, this is the MySQL. But I want to show it to you. We can run the MySQL here because I believe there is a MySQL. This is an application. You can run this, or I have here installer. So if I click this, see what happens. So it says my installer. So I would say yes. So I think it's. Do you want to allow this app to make change to your device? Why not? So yes. Installer upgrade available. Yeah, why not? So MySQL probably installed, and developer default, server only, client only, full, customer install all includes MySQL products and the features. Install all products needed for MySQL development purpose. Okay, developer purpose. All right, so by default it was checked. So I go ahead, click on next, and MySQL requirements. The following products have the following requirements of MySQL installer. Will attempt to resolve them automatically. Visual Studio is not available, so I'll let him do it. Still failing. Uh, let's see if I do next. One or more product requirements have not been satisfied. Requirements were not installed and upgrade. So you want to continue. Yes. So if I want to do this, execute. So actually my SQL Server is installed. I think this guy installs more than we need actually. But why don't we let it go? See how this installer can do. Again, while this installer installing all of these products, I'm going to tell you that this MySQL that we apply this, open with extract all. I want to take this to my PC, C drive, and merge somewhere here. I save it. If I want to extract all, this guy will install it there. Actually, this um, unzip everything. There are the image of the MySQL. That image is already prone to the Windows systems. So we'll take a look at that later. Oh, this is done. This is for installer. Next, product configuration. So next, development computer, TCP/IP 3306. This is the port. Name the pipe, MySQL, shared memory, MySQL. So let's do as whatever, I mean, the initially set, no change. And then use a strong password. So let's have the strong password. Root password. Root password here, you guys need to um, keep in mind, memorize it. Password strong. Oh, this guy says add user. It's much nicer. So we can make add user, automate JUN, and host, localhost, and role DB admin. That's good. MySQL user credential, password, JUN's password. So, okay. So, okay. So add user is added here, which is not bad. Well, even though we can create a user from the command line on the terminal, that's what we hope to do. But here we also created it. So let me go ahead, click on next button, and the configuration MySQL server as Windows services, Windows service name MySQL 80, and start that. We want to start my server. and one Windows Server standard. Okay. Next, server file permission. Program data MySQL Server 8.0 / data. Do you want MySQL installer to update the server file permission for you? Yes. Grant full access to the user running. Why not? So next, and apply configurations. Configuration steps. So this is the steps. So we can simply write a configuration file, updating Windows firewall rule, adjusting Windows service, initializing database, updating permissions, starting the server, and so on. So let's click execute to apply the changes. Writing configuration files, updating Windows file, adjusting Windows, initializing database may take a long time. Yeah, we need to initialize. Oops. This is not something that we need to click. I think this go, I think in these steps. So we simply execute it. Done. Product configurations. Put the MySQL router for users to do this. No, we don't need to do that right now. Okay. So for this MySQL router configuration, we simply cancel at this time. Okay, so are you sure you want to cancel the configuration of your products? Okay, let it go. So finish. All, yeah. Connect server, MySQL to the server root. We already put that, right? So that is same password that we provide the credential that you should be used, required root privileges. Check, ensure, connected succeed. Next, and apply configurations. Checking if there are any features installed and running script. Okay, finally, finish. Product configuration again. Next, installation complete. Copy log to clipboard. MySQL started. Shell is available. Copy log to clipboard. So let me see if I can get that. New slide, blank, and insert. No, insert, writing, text box, and copy. Okay. This is the log file, just in case if I need, I want to come back and take a look my installation. Okay. Fonts. I'm gonna make it smaller. I really do not understand why my Windows runs this slowly. This is a brand new Windows and also laptop. So I let it go, and I think it is finished. Okay. Browse document to localist root localhost. This is MySQL. MySQL located the program files, MySQL shell in MySQL shell.exe. You can use this, but I don't like basically. Um, this is okay. So let's try to get this, or some other way that we could do. Windows button on all, run, and then command. Then we will have new Windows terminal. And new Windows systems worse than previous. Previous was also too bad, but new Windows still bad. Okay, this is what you can get from MySQL sh. That's a shell. You can go, for example, cd. Let's try to do MySQL is available. Say MySQL. MySQL is not available. So you need to go to um, C backslash program files and dir, then MySQL, cd MySQL, dir, then there's MySQL server. So cd MySQL server 8.0, dir, then that is a bin directory, binary directory, and dir MySQL star. Then there are many MySQL products. Actually, this guy, um, allows us to do MySQL sh, MySQL sh. Sure, I think that is MySQL show sh. That is that one, right? So quit /quit. Okay, but rather we want to do MySQL -u, that is the root, and -p, the password, so we can get into MySQL. Then I am here. So show databases and semicolon, then it gives me the databases. So this is the way that you can get into it. This is the way that we will work on. Okay, this is the command line. This is something not really professional. So here you can quit to go out, or as we did MySQL -u, JUn, and -p. This also can come. All right, because while we were installing our uh, MySQL community server, we already set up a root and password, and also the one of the DBAs, so regular user ID, rather than root username, but whatever that you want to do. In my case, I call JUn. All right, this is it.